So then he walks up to the man and says, "You got a fiver?" So Helena.
Lena. Lena.
Hello, welcome to Orange Answer Phone. I'm sorry, but the person you are trying to call is currently unavailable. Please stay on the line if you would like to leave a message. Message erased. Message erased. If you would like to leave a message, please. Shit.